make this recipe because it's so good. Hello friends, we're making out of this white biscuit astronaut. Wow. I will give you also guys to taste, yes? Next is the messy part.
Mix all the butter. How does it feel?
Cool. Went like this. Oh, it's like this long. The shape. We're making an alien. You are afraid of alien, guys?
Beautiful.
Shooting star.
Okay.
I want to make the planet.
You're a bit cold, I know. Milk and cookies for you today, okay?
Making cookies?
Yeah, boy. I love you.
In the oven for 10 minutes.
It's a surprise, okay?
Wow, it's so good! Some alien there from Andromeda. Wow, so delicious. I made very good biscuits. Make this recipe because it's so good. Bye bye.